Maresca cannot be my manager. Maresca cannot be your manager. Maresca cannot be our manager. He can't be Chelsea coach. He doesn't have that winning mentality. Maresca is a loser. I'm telling you guys. Sanchez, everybody knew, even opposition, the whole world knew that this guy is not a good goalkeeper. Sanchez cannot be our goalkeeper. Mistakes upon mistakes upon mistake. Maresca benched him. Within some few games, he brought him back. Look at this game. Look at the goal that we conceded. If it were to be good goalkeeper, in fact, this goal is supposed not to score a goalkeeper, Premier League goalkeeper, and you concede this kind of goal. How on earth? Look at the goal. It's just a soft heading. Sanchez could not save it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richmond. And before we move on, guys, please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Let's move on, guys. In fact, guys, what a game, what a game. And this game, in fact, Chelsea just lost it from Enzo Maresca starting 11. When you look at this game, the way we started this game, and the way Chelsea approached Arsenal in this game, everything was poor, bad, wrongly. I'm telling you. See, Chelsea is not winning this Premier League title this season is because of Enzo Maresca. And if Chelsea doesn't make top 4, or if Chelsea will not make top 4, it will be Enzo Maresca and Sanchez problem. I'm telling you. Like, I don't understand. What a coach are we having now? A coach who doesn't want his own team to win games. Because, guys, immediately Enzo Maresca start using something or start using some players and things are working for him, the next game, you will see him changing it. I don't understand. It isn't that Arsenal plays some marvelous, extraordinary, expensive, beautiful football in this game. Arsenal didn't do anything. It's just a movement. That Merino goal. Since they scored that goal, how many chances Arsenal created in this game? How many chances? So Chelsea losing this game, see, all the blame must go to Enzo Maresca. As I said, the way he approached this game, he's starting 11, play players out of position in which the right players are available. Everybody was there. I don't understand. How on earth you are playing Arsenal, you are using back 5 to come and do what? Arsenal is not on form. Arsenal is not that the way people are looking at them. Arsenal is also not good. We saw it in this game. How many chances Arsenal created? They just scored that one goal and they were waiting for us to see what we can do, whether we can come back into. Yeah, they just defended with their low blocks. That is all. I don't understand. Playing 5, almost 3 center back in a game in which we don't have a potential goal scorer. Play more attackers. Play your regular football. Play your 4 back. Start the game with Tosin and Chalobah. The left back, start your Cucurella. The right back, start your James. The midfield, start your Caicedo and Enzo. Yes, Palmer was not there. Then you can bring in Lavia into the midfield with Caicedo and push the lazy man Enzo Fernandez there. But Maresca play Reece James in the midfield. In fact, made Reece James useless in this game. Fofana useless in this game. Look at Fofana in this game. Playing players out of position. Gusto was there. Even if you are going to play Reece James in the midfield, start Gusto, a player whose primary position is at the right back position. You are starting a center back at the right back position. I don't understand, guys. See, Maresca is our enemy. Maresca is our big-time enemy. Like I said it in my preview. Like, he is playing against Chelsea. Maresca cannot be my manager. Maresca cannot be your manager. Maresca cannot be our manager. He can be Chelsea coach. He doesn't have that winning mentality. Maresca is a loser. I'm telling you guys. See, Maresca is someone who likes to use excuse as a reason that he didn't win a certain game. The way you approach this game, how can we win? See, Arsenal didn't come to win this game. They came for at least a draw. Or if we can beat them, we beat them and go. Look at the game that they display Arsenal. They play in this game. They didn't play as any extraordinary game. Our manager just disappointed us in this game. Yes, play players out of position. Wrong starting 11, wrong formation. Everything was wrong from Enzo Maresca. Substitution wrongs. Everything was poor. In fact, guys, we need experienced manager next season. If Chelsea can bring me experienced manager, I am sacking Enzo Maresca today. But the issue here is that even if Chelsea sack him, the manager they are going to bring, I will tell you that he will be with the same level with Enzo Maresca, or even Enzo Maresca will be better than that man. That is the issue. So for me, just sacking Enzo Maresca, it is not a problem. I would like it to happen. But the manager that we want them to bring, will they? Because these owners, they don't like anybody who knows football to be near them or around their territory, because if you know football, some of their decisions, you challenge them. You challenge them because look at the signing so far. Today, we didn't have a potential goal scorer in this game. You could not point any attacker who can score goal for us. This game, Neto started very well. In fact, the second half, we could not see that Neto. Yes, this is where we are missing Jackson. Jackson may not score. He may not be killing, but he will have the flow. Yes, he will have the chances creation. Yes, he will have the direct runnings. In fact, guys, see, a lot has to be done. If Chelsea want to win the Premier League or compete for the Premier League title next season, or even get top 4 comfortable. And luckily, if we make top 4, compete in the Champions League, guys, a lot has to happen. Our manager, Charlie, see, for me, when I'm looking at Enzo Maresca, his mindset, it looks exactly the same as our players. Yes, Enzo Maresca and our players, I can spot their difference. Yes, they are all inexperienced human beings. Inexperienced players, athletics. I'm telling you, Enzo Maresca mindset is not that higher more than our players. They all carry the same mindset. Yes, we have inexperienced players. We have inexperienced manager. So what do you expect? We shouldn't expect anything. As I said, Chelsea lost this game from the dressing room. Chelsea lost this game from Enzo Maresca starting 11. The way that back five, Badiashile, Fofana, Liverpool. Look at the position he played for Fofana. That right back position. Gusto is there. James is there. Lavia is there. Send James to his ordinary, normal primary. See, as a manager, if you want to get the best of your players, play them at their right position. It only takes experienced players or players who have the technical abilities for you to play them out of their normal position and they still perform. This kind of players that we have, if you play them out of position, they can play even their normal position. They are struggling. Want to talk of playing them out of position? I don't understand. Chalobah and Tosin. In fact, since the second round started, it was working. Any day that Maresca started these two center backs, everything was on point. No shivering. You will not see any mistake from our back line. But Maresca went ahead. In fact, the day that it worked perfectly, I can still, I think, against Crystal Palace. Yes, in this second round, it worked. See, like that game, we didn't see any mistake from these two center backs. The next game, Maresca went ahead and changed it. The next game, Maresca, I don't understand. Sanchez, everybody knew, even opposition, the whole world knew that this guy is not a good goalkeeper. Sanchez cannot be our goalkeeper. Mistakes upon mistakes upon mistake. Maresca benched him. Within some few games, he brought him back. Look at this game. Look at the goal that we considered. If it were to be good goalkeeper, in fact, this goal is supposed not to score a goalkeeper, Premier League goalkeeper, and you concede this kind of goal. How on earth? Look at the goal. It's just a soft heading. Sanchez could not save it. Look at his position. The way the place Sanchez was standing. How can you, as a goalkeeper, they cross the ball instead of you to go back to your line? You are still standing pushing players as a goalkeeper. No. Immediately they kick the ball. Yes, you can go to protect yourself. But as a goalkeeper, immediately they kick the ball. Go back to your line. Yes, stand in the middle. Yes. So no shot will surprise you. But guys, see the goal that we considered. See the goal that Sanchez could not save. Errors upon errors. The first half, I think the first 10 minutes, he has some another error passes. In fact, guys, Maresca is selling Chelsea. See, they should investigate Maresca. Maresca is playing bad with Chelsea. I'm telling you, Maresca is selling our games. Maresca sold this game. From the starting 11, Chelsea lost this game. From the dressing room, Chelsea lost this game. And everything, all the blames must go to Enzo Maresca. In fact, Enzo Maresca cannot be my manager going forward. If he's going to... See, the games that we play, 17 Leicester, the same way he gambled with those games. But we were lucky for them. They were not that up team, better team. So we went away with a win. Yes, I said it here. We should be ready to meet better opponents. Sometimes when your team win football game, don't just look at the 3 points alone. Yes, it's good, but look at the performance. Because Chelsea is a winning team. Chelsea is title trophy winning team, top 4 team, Premier League winning team. So when Chelsea win a foot, sometimes don't just look at the 3 points. Look at the way we play and won that game. I said it. Against Copenhagen, we ran away with a miserable, shambolic performance. Against Arsenal, Arsenal didn't do anything. But we could not capitalize on that. Arsenal were just running, marking up spaces. Yes, when they get the ball, they also go. How many chances Arsenal created in this game? And how many chances Chelsea created? In fact, I can even tell you, when it comes to the attacking area, the first half was better than the second half. The second half, we could not attack. See, like this game, I don't understand, guys. It's like Maresca just want to maybe manage these games, so we'll go to international break and come back. Like whether Chelsea win or Chelsea loss or Chelsea draw, or like he doesn't care. He just wants this game to go or pass so that he will be free. Okay, we play Arsenal, that is all. Whether we win or we draw or we lose, he doesn't care. So he came out with a shambolic starting 11. Apart from Cucurella in this game, who played well? Apart from Cucurella, yeah, the second half, Badiashile, his position, he played well. Yeah, but the first half, Badiashile, in fact, Martinelli used me into the box. I didn't know. As a Premier League defender, sometimes you have to be aggressive. Yes, be energetic. So apart from Cucurella, maybe James even play him out of position. In fact, guys, Enzo Fernandez. See, Chelsea fans will like him a lot. See, Chelsea. I don't see any Chelsea fan who doesn't like Enzo Fernandez. Everybody wants Enzo Fernandez to succeed in Chelsea. But guys, currently, he is not playing to expectation. This game, he was just running around. It is only Casado who is trying to do the things. And football, one man can play it. Casado can do everything. If others doesn't support, we will not get result, we will not see him. Enzo is not playing to expectation. Enzo is not showing up. Anytime that Chelsea needed him, you will not see him. Look at his play in this game. Look at his play in this game. So guys, let's hope after the international break, maybe Jackson will come back. He will come back and Cole Palmer will also come back. Maresca said Cole Palmer was injured little bit, yes. And I said it, yes, one of my videos that you see that game that he played against, I think, Copenhagen. Maresca said Cole Palmer was having diarrhea and what. Still, Maresca let him play that game. That game, Cole Palmer supposed not to play that game. I'm telling you, this game, he's supposed to rest Cole Palmer in that game, waiting for this game. See, Maresca cannot be a big team manager. His mentality and our players are the same, homogeneous, the same. They are all inexperienced players, inexperienced manager. No. And see, look at this Barcelona team last season. Inexperienced manager with inexperienced players. Everybody was thinking that, okay, Barcelona team is not good. But immediately, they had experienced manager. Look at Barcelona this season. Barcelona, they are part of those who can win the Champions League this season. So sometimes, the manager is important. Manager, having experienced manager is important. The same Barcelona, the Barcelona Xavi was using last season. Nothing changed. The same Rafinha who was shambolic last season. The same Rafinha is now a Ballon d'Or contender because of change of management, because of change of coach. So it is important. You can't have inexperienced players and also go and bring inexperienced manager. It can't happen. Yes, you have to balance it. Inexperienced manager, experienced manager, or inexperienced manager, experienced players. So guys, see, in the long run, Maresca cannot be our coach. But as I said, even if they sack him, who are they going to bring? The manager they will bring, can he do it more than Maresca? Will that manager also have the experience, or will that manager also just be like Enzo Maresca? So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game. Arsenal 1, Chelsea 0. And the good part in this game is that we are still on top 4. Yes, on the league table, we are still 4th position. Not bad. When we come back, we still have a lot of games to play. Brentford, I think, Spurs, yes. Even Manchester United. So many games are still there. We can still come. But the issue is that let's hope that Man City doesn't pick form. Because if City pick form, forget, the top 4 will come out. And we are lucky, confirm 5th spot for English Premier League. Yes, for Premier League. If you get 5th spot, next season, we are playing Champions League. So, guys, that is my analysis for this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, what went wrong in this game and what's supposed to change in going forward in the long run. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And please, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. Yes, when I see the numbers, it gives me the belief the motivation to give him more videos. Take care. Peace.